Hello, it's me again, and I will show how to purchase some stuff from our website. So let's imagine we need some boats, and for example I will need 5 of our recommended set because it's like most parts is included. So let me show you. I will choose 24-volt batteries, and here I will write 5, add to cart, continue shopping. Okay, and I will take, let's go back to boat sets, one set with all the sensors included. Did I need charger? Okay, I will maybe include it separately so I can check here. Don't need it, especially if I need some, not one but more boats. Let's add it one, continue shipping. So now we have 5 sets, and let's build some. Let's go to boat sets and some custom. Like maybe we need something unusual, so I will go choose this one. This set includes remote controller, motors and drivers. And for example I will need 2 of these, or maybe not 2, 4. With motors, yes, add to cart, continue. So in total it would be like 10 ships, but for these ships I will need some extra. For example, 2 of them will get motherboard and 2 of them will be just for controlling, like for water sampling, nothing more. Yeah, so what kind of board I need? I need GPS, let's add it. I need NPU, SD card, yes, soldering. It depends on your, maybe you'll do it yourself. Yes, and waterproof connectors, yeah, I need that. For example, yes, 2 boards. Add to cart. Continue shipping. Let's go for some extras. Sensors and actuators. I will need some water pumps. Press on that. It's already included in our recommended and max set. So for this I only pick 2. Add to cart. Continue. Yes. What I need more? I choose my recommended with batteries, but those 2 have no batteries, so I will add some batteries. Let's add these ones, 2 of them, and 2 bolts will have no batteries. Add to cart, continue shopping. Then I put one without charger, so I need, I didn't put any charger yet, so now I will put a charger. I will choose this one, as I'm taking lithium batteries. Add to cart, continue shopping. What else I need? Maybe I'll need some temperature sensors. I will add it. 4 of 2 meters, 2 per boat. Add to cart. Okay, continue. Boat. Sensors. Add 2 more 1 meter. 1, 2. Add to cart. Continue shopping. And let's see, electronic parts. Did I need extra remotes? No. Maybe extra Arduino. Maybe I will take one. Okay. Add to cart. Continue. And what else? Maybe something for fun. I will take LED strip for lighting my ships. For example, 5 meters of LED strip. Add to cart. And as you can see, I'm adding some stuff. And here, for example, if you buying this one, all necessary things is included inside. You can don't worry much about how it works out. And let's put some, maybe one camera. Yeah, for camera we need also VTX. Yes. Continue shopping, and let's have some more fun. And video receiver. With this video receiver you can connect it to the phone, so you can just, I will add one. Yes, continue shipping. And basically that's it. We took all what is necessary. We took like 6 of recommended sets, 5 recommended sets, 1 max set, and we are trying to build, like I'm simulating the situation, we are trying to build like 4 custom boats with some thermosensors, 2 with thermosensors and motherboards, 2 without nothing. And let's see the cart. So in total it's 5,000. So basically one boat is like 500 euros. Remember, it's without frames. So if you need frames, you go add it additionally. And here you can check if everything is fine. You see the numbers, all is very clear and simple. You also see the additions for and options for motherboard, so it's quite easy. And when you're ready, when you checked everything is good, just press proceed. Of course, write your shipping address, press continue. Shipping method doesn't necessary at this moment, because we're like a bit simulating this. And of course you need to check some, let me see, personal information. Yeah, you need to check some marks here, like that you received from information from us. If you want, not this one, I agree with terms and conditions. If you want some newsletter, you can sign this third one. If you don't, you don't need. And of course, customer data privacy, it's like the mandatory. And that's it. Save. Okay. What is missing? Okay. Strange. Something. Okay, let me see. Yeah, when you save your personal data, it will show the same window. Let's just go to cart back and proceed checkout. Yeah, and then you go to the next step, shipping method. So just press continue, and of course agree to terms of services. And when you press place order, we will get that order, and then we can contact you and discuss if everything is fine. Thank you for your attention. Bye.